So this is flat chest press. You're going to have a whole bunch of different variations of these machines. It doesn't fucking matter. The only thing that really matters with a flat chest press is that it is in fact flat, meaning the directions that your hand push, okay? So when you're looking at a decline chest press, pushing down, incline, pushing slightly up. Flat is just any machine where you push and you end up in front of you, okay? So in terms of how you're going to set the machine up, almost all flat chest presses will have a seat adjustment. If they don't, it's a really shit chest press. So you need to set it up in a way where the handles are slightly underneath the height of the shoulder. If I'm down too low, like I was there now a moment ago, this is not where I want to be pushing. This is not what the correct angle. I'm not setting it up right. So I want to set it up to where it's underneath my shoulder slightly, okay? I'm going to bring my hands back just like this. And another adjustment that a lot of machines will have, not all of them, but most, will have some ability to change these handles, okay? So some people might have very flexible shoulders and a very flexible chest, meaning they can put these handles a little bit further back. Other people might not be that flexible, and you'll see here there's a small pin, and they might need to start the handles a little bit further forward. So if the machines do have them, great. If they don't worry too much. But the main thing is, if possible, set the handles up where you start off with a little bit of a stretch, but it's not painful or uncomfortable. It's not yanking on the shoulder or anything like that, okay? And all you want to do is start off. You don't want the hands to be too narrow. You don't want them to be too wide. You want them to be relatively straight. So hand roughly in front of the elbow. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to push the handles forward. I don't want to fully lock out like this, okay? The reason being is that when I lock out like that, I get a little bit of a rest for the chest, which you don't really want. So I want a slightly soft elbow like this. And then I'm going to bring it back to a little bit of a stretch. I don't let it drop like this, so I want to maintain the tension. And then I'm going to just drive it forward like this. Back down, a little bit slower on the way down, a little bit faster on the way up. And again, I'm avoiding the rest at the bottom, and I'm avoiding the full lockout at the top. And that maintains that tension on the pec the whole way through. So the thing that actually makes this a flat chest press, as you'll notice, is that my hand is starting off here, and it's driving in a relatively straight line. So again, it's not pushing down or up, it's pushing nice and straight, which makes it a standard flat chest press.